Tawwa. Yeah. Ba will stretch. Tawwa ba. Read one fatha only on ba. Got it? Tawwa ba. Whenever you will see double fatha, fathatain on any letter, so just read one fatha when you are making waqf on it. Okay? Tawwaban waqfan. Tawwaban waqfan. What is it? Tawwab ba. Okay, it will stretch. Tawwaba. Come to the next one. Read it. What is it? Yeah, mashallah, quickly. Yeah. Sajjajan not. Jim will stretch the mid one. Jim alif fatha. Sajja. Very good stretch. Yeah, sajja. First of all read this jim with fathatain. Okay, read it, then after that you can make waqf on it. Okay, now sajja and jim with fathatain, read it. Sajjajan. Very good. Now make waqf on it. How to make? Yeah, no, read both jims with the same method. Yeah. Sajja. What did you say? Sajjaja. Very well, mashallah. Now come to the next one, last one. Read it fast. Your time is going to finish. Seen will stretch. After seen, here is alif madda. Okay, my friend? No, you are not. Listen to me, my friend. Just once look at this. This is sajja. We stretch or not? Sajja. Like here, tawwa. This is alif madda called. Okay. So same thing here. Up. No, you are not. Still not stretching. Ghassa. Say. Very good. Now what's the waqf? No. One fatha will read on qaf and stretch it. Same. No, same thing, my friend. Apply same thing. Very good, mashallah. Ghassa.